Okay, off we go. Dear friends and fellow manly men, I'm back out here with this Rampage with these Hobbywings in it. And I just love the way this boat is set up. It's set up like an Oxidean boat. But anyway, we wanted to draw a conclusion on these ESCs, so I put a fresh charge on these China Hobby lines, 6S. These mild props, they're big, but they're mild. And let's see what's happening. Okay, now off into the world you go. You know the GPS is reading. Okay, good. We got glass at the end to give it a fair shake. Let's proceed. That was kind of fun. I'm gonna do a couple more. Great run, Rampage. Great run. Okay, now what are we working with here? 89 miles an hour on a freshly charged set of batteries. Not bad. Okay, now that there was a good time. 89 on a freshly charged set of China Hobby lines. What we got on the old speed controllers was 84 miles an hour. So 5 mile an hour difference is significant. You know what I mean? That overcomes just about any other conclusion that I could draw besides these Hobbywings are an improvement over what we had in there. They're running great. Something tells me you guys want to see what this thing does on ADAS, huh? You know, if my calculations are right, we were doing 114 before on ADAS. And it was some different props, but I got close to 114 on these props before. Let's just see what it does, because it felt like something was holding back. I didn't know if it was battery sag or what, but I tried something else, some really good batteries, and I'm still getting the same results. Let's see if this ESC opens up doors. Stay tuned.